Welcome back to Rowdy Rio. Solve these multiplication questions. Before starting the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for fun updates. What is 5 times 3? The answer is 15. What is 6 times 4? The answer is 24. What is 7 times 8? The answer is 56. What is 9 times 9? The answer is 81. What is 12 times 3? The answer is 36. What is 4 times 7? The answer is 28. What is 8 times 5? The answer is 40. What is 11 times 6? The answer is 66. What is 3 times 9? The answer is 27. What is 10 times 10? The answer is 100. What is 13 times 2? The answer is 26. What is 15 times 5? The answer is 75. What is 6 times 6? The answer is 36. What is 9 times 5? The answer is 45. What is 8 times 7? The answer is 56. What is 4 times 9? The answer is 36. What is 3 times 8? The answer is 24. What is 5 times 12? The answer is 60. What is 11 times 11? The answer is 121. What is 7 times 6? The answer is 42. How many fish are there? Yes, it's 8 fishes. What is 14 times 2? The answer is 28. What is 9 times 3? The answer is 27. What is 12 times 4? The answer is 48. What is 5 times 8? The answer is 40. What is 7 times 9? The answer is 63. What is 6 times 11? The answer is 66. What is 13 times 3? The answer is 39. What is 10 times 7? answer is 70. What is 8 times 9? The answer is 72. What is 15 times 3? The answer is 45. What is 4 times 12? The answer is 48. What is 16 times 2? The answer is 32. What is 9 times 8? The answer is 72. What is 5 times 9? The answer is 45. What is 3 times 7? The answer is 21. What is 8 times 6? The answer is 48. What is 10 times 9? The answer is 90. What is 12 times 5? The answer is 60. Count the ball. Yes, 3 balls. What is 7 times 7? The answer is 49. What is 14 times 3? The answer is 42. What is 6 times 8? The answer is 48. What is 9 times 4? The answer is 36. What is 5 times 11? The answer is 55. What is 15 times 2? The answer is 30. What is 11 times 9? The answer is 99. What is 8 times 10? The answer is 80. What is 13 times 4? The answer is 52. What is 12 times 8? The answer is 96. What is 16 times 3? The answer is 48. What is 7 times 12? The answer is 84. What is 9 times 12? The answer is 108. What is 15 times 6? The answer is 90. What is 11 times 7? Default text. What is 8 times 11? The answer is 88. What is 6 times 9? The answer is 54. What is 14 times 4? The answer is 56. What is 13 times 5? The answer is 65. How many teddy bears are there? Answer in the comments. What is 12 times 7? The answer is 84. What is 9 times 15? The answer is 135. What is 10 times 12? The answer is 120. What is 16 times 5? The answer is 80. What is 14 times 6? The answer is 84. What is 18 times 3? The answer is 54. What is 11 times 8? The answer is 88. What is 15 times 9? The answer is 135. What is 7 times 14? The answer is 98. What is 9 times 13? The answer is 117. What is 12 times 9? The answer is 108. The answer is 36. Default text. What is 19 times 3? The answer is 57. What is 20 times 4? The answer is 80. What is 21 times 2? The answer is 42. What is 15 times 8? The answer is 120. What is 17 times 5? The answer is 85. What is 16 times 4? The answer is 64. What is 19 times 4? The answer is 76. How many books are there? Yes, the answer in 4. What is 13 times 8? The answer is 104. What is 10 times 11? The answer is 110. What is 8 times 12? The answer is 96. What is 18 times 5? The answer is 90. What is 14 times 9? The answer is 126. What is 17 times 6? The answer is 102. What is 12 times 12? The answer is 144. What is 13 times 9? The answer is 117. What is 19 times 6? answer is 114. What is 20 times 5? The answer is 100. What is 11 times 12? The answer is 132. What is 16 times 6? The answer is 96. What is 15 times 9? The answer is 135. What is 18 times 7? The answer is 126. What is 14 times 8? The answer is 112. What is 19 times 7? The answer is 133. What is 20 times 8? The answer is 160. What is 17 times 8? The answer is 136. It's easy problem if you have multiplication skill. $20 for sweets. What is 16 times 8? The answer is 128. What is 12 times 14? The answer is 168. What is 15 times 12? The answer is 180. What is 18 times 8? The answer is 144. What is 13 times 12? The answer is 156. What is 20 times 9? The answer is 180. Comment your scroll below and don't forget to like, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.